It was quite exciting the first time round, mainly because we launched the products on Kickstarter, crowdfunding website. Um, it's always very nerve-wracking when you're launching products on Kickstarter because you never know how well it's going to do, you know. And the product was funded within 24 hours. It was, you know, we set a target of about £10,000, and it was funded, you know, quite quickly, and started making them.
Minh Phan, you are the managing director of Mowbray Leather Goods. It is brilliant to see you. Why do you love doing what you do? If you do love it, why are you so passionate about it?
I love doing what I do because I find leather as a really versatile material to work with. We've been making leather goods now for about 13 years since we started. And over that time, I've been learning how to make pretty much everything from small little wallets all the way to big bags. We've just made some golf bags recently, but the passion's always been there for making and creating products out of raw materials. So we started off with the Trove wallet, which is a wallet for your cards and cash. So the unique thing about this elasticated wallet is it gives you 3 separate compartments to organize the cards, and you can put cash in there as well. After we made that and launched it, we came up with another version which incorporated a Swift pull tab, so you can pull the card out a bit easier like that. And then once we got that launched, we started to offer the customized build your own wallets, which meant you can choose the elastic color, the leather color, add a print, change the stitch color, add a monogram. There's over 100,000 different color combinations that you can choose. And then when you add your picture as well, then it makes the options endless, really. We've had corporations and companies put their logo on it and then give it as gifts. And a lot of people put their pets on there. And then we launched another wallet, again, keeping to a small footprint. This is called the Cash Wrap. And this one is made to carry more cash than cards, but it wraps your cash around a nice leather sleeve. And again, this comes in over 100,000 different color combinations that people can build on the website and get it made and delivered within a few days in the UK. We also created a coin caddy. Every month we give the opportunity for an artist to put their art on a wallet, and we spend the month co-promoting. They get a commission for every sale that we make.
So you started out making leather products for other businesses, and then you became aware of the waste. And so from that grew your own brand, and Trove now is a collection of wallets and other items. And that takes the edge off, at least, some of the waste.
Yes, we were making belts and wallets and leather goods for a lot of high street brands. So a lot of leather was being thrown away, about say a ton a year, let's say, of leather being thrown away. And at some point, I put a stop to it. I just said we can't just keep throwing this leather away. It's perfectly good. There's nothing wrong with it. So I did some experiments and played around with small cuttings of leather. So all these pieces we were throwing away were about, you know, so big. And the leather that we were throwing away was perfectly good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just too small to make any of those products that we were making. So we were limited to the size of these of a new product. I played around and experimented with quite a few different products, and ended up with the prototype of what is now a Trove wallet, which is that small, So the leather that's used, as you can see, is quite a small piece, which means wastage on cutting is minimal, and it allows us to convert the leather into something actually useful, and it's quite a creative design, if I say so myself.
How proud are you of these wallets that have emerged out of your eye for something creative and innovative?
Well, the range of wallets and the brand has been my baby now for about 10 years. And like I said, it came out of trying to find ways to reduce the waste. We built a brand around it. So now we're quite proud to say that we have the world's most customizable wallet. People can go on the website, build the wallet in whatever color scheme they fancy. They can even add a print to it of their own design, and they'll get it within 24, 48 hours. We still work on developing new products, but keeping always within this ideal of minimalism, minimal waste, and innovative designs.
Is it exciting to be making your own stuff, and not just making your own stuff, but making it in Britain?
Yes, absolutely. Making everything in the UK has always been a clear goal of mine. We've had many opportunities to get our products made abroad, but I've always resisted it, just because the options that is available for when we make the products ourselves here in the factory means that we are able to offer the most customizable wallet in the world, because we can get an order from the website and turn it around within the same day and send it out. And you cannot do that if you're outsourcing your production.